Hi guys.
Hi.
So my name is DJ Ses, and today I have a special guest.
My name is Elsie. If you've been here from day one, then you know me. But for the new subscribers, hi guys, my name is Elsie.
Yeah. So today we are going to be making a natural face scrubber. We're going to be using aloe vera gel and sugar. Yeah. So for now we will go and show you guys how to make it. Then we will come back here again. Okay.
Bye.
So guys, we're back again. We've made the mixture, so we're going to apply it on our face, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it because there's some sensitive parts of your face zenye ufai kuscrub. Yeah. So kama kawaida, you have to push back your hair when you're doing a face routine or something on your face. So this is the mixture. Make sure it stands out like dickish kidogo, thick. Yeah. So nyeke. So we're going to apply it around.
So now where am I not supposed to apply it?
Okay. You don't scrub this part of the around your eyes because it's so soft. Yeah, and it will.
That's the only part.
It's the only part actually, plus lips, because aloe vera it's kind of bitter. Unaweza isikia ikinini ikionja ukali, so you just apply it on your face. Alafu pia around nywele ikishika itakuwa ngumu kutoa, so yeah. don't usiweke around your eyes, and then you scrub gently around your face like for some minutes, because again you're not supposed to scrub for so long, and also you avoid scrubbing when uko kwa direct sun because it'll dry up so quickly. Another thing, haufai kuleave aloe vera on your face for so long because it will get dry and as in inaweza anza kukaa too weird. So the purpose of using sugar ndio ina scrub off the dead cells of your skin. Alafu for aloe vera, as you know, aloe vera inatumikanga kama kuclean yani, so ina kill the germs on your face. It just cleans. It cleans, yeah, and it's medicinal. So and then you're also supposed to scrub in a circular motion. I don't know if you've done that. Yeah. It's a very nice face scrub, I think. It's natural, it's a do it yourself at home, so
How long are you supposed to be scrubbing for?
even 3 minutes it's enough. Tumemaliza 3 minutes.
I think so.
Yeah. So that is it. We are done. So now we will go and rinse our face, and it's just that. Yeah. You know.
Bye!
So guys, we've done the whole process, but you still need to moisturize. Umesikiaje? How was that feeling? Yeah, scrub.
I think the feeling after is very nice because my face feels really soft.
Yeah. So it's a very nice. You can try it at home, and also comment on how you feel and how it works for you. Yeah. So we're going to moisturize our face.
For us, we're using the Nivea Soft Moisturizer because this is what we use on our face.
Yeah.
But I think you just moisturize whatever moisturizer that you usually use.
Inaweza kuwa ni Vaseline ama Remis, zote any can do. Yeah. 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 Maliza. Yeah, so that is it guys for today's video. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe.
Click the button below, comment, share, like, do all those things, and we'll be back with more videos.
Yeah.
Remember to
Worry less and keep it simple. Bye.
Bye.